Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Kia Sorento EX, stock reference number 3873. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2003 through to the 9th month 2009. It has a D4 CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. D4 CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 5 small dents. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 large dent. Right front door has a fold on the front edge and 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke steering wheel with cruise buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.